for this video, I'm going to be telling you why beavers are keystone species and how much they impact the ecosystem. So first, let's start off with the habitat that they live in and what characteristics they have in order to adapt under those circumstances. As you may know, beavers can only be found in lakes, ponds, rivers, and streams, and for that reason, they have these things called glands that make their fur waterproof. Finally, they also have extra body fat to keep them warm to face any cold temperatures. And right here, as you can see in this photo, the glands that I'm talking about is like located right here. It's inside the beaver, so in order to get the glands and sell it, you have to like cut it in an incision like right here and just like yoink it, you know. But yeah, the glands are located right here. Oh yeah, I also forgot to mention that they also have these teeth to cut through trees, as you may know. And for some reason, I don't know if you knew this, but their teeth are orange, not white, but they're orange for some reason. I'm not sure why, but yeah. And one last thing, you can see here that the beaver is expressing their body fat, so it, you know, keeps them warm. And the next subject we're going to be moving on to is about food. So first of all, beavers are herbivores. So that means that they only eat plants. So for their diet, they eat bark, cambium, and twigs. Now of course they eat a lot of other plants, but these are basically their main meals to eat. And our next topic is going to talk about why beavers are considered a keystone species. So the reason why beavers are considered a keystone species is because the whole entire ecosystem revolves around them. Because if you think about it, the dams that beavers create reduce the chances of flooding. And if a flood suddenly occurs, for example, there is going to be a severe amount of destruction that will happen to the habitat and the smaller, weak animals, which is exactly why beaver dams are a huge benefit to the ecosystem. Finally, I want to talk about this question, which is, what would happen if beavers no longer lived in the environment? First things first, what would happen is that there would be more floods, which will cause the populations of smaller animals to decrease. I know I already said this already, and it applies to the last subject, but the more floods that are occurring means that the more environment will keep on getting destroyed. Also, there's one final thing that I like to add is that the water quality would suffer because the dams that beavers build acts like a water filtration system that blocks any pollution from getting through. Alright, so for example here, I'll pull up a picture, I'll draw a picture right here, so based on what I said. So if you think about, okay, look, let's draw a river. Okay, and let's say there is garbage, right? Okay, here's the dam, okay? So here's the dam that the beavers built, okay? Here, I'll draw a beaver right here. Alright, that's a good beaver. Wait. Alright, so here's our beaver. And let's say it built this dam right here, okay? So, for example, how the dam acts like a water filtration system is that, let's say there's garbage flowing. Okay, so let's draw garbage here. Let's draw like garbage right here. Okay, garbage, you know, and it's flowing this way. Okay, it's flowing this way, and so the water is going this way. Garbage is flowing with it, but as soon as the garbage comes close to the sticks, the dam, it cannot pass through. Like, it's like the sticks are like, no, you cannot pass through because the garbage is too big enough to pass through. Meanwhile, the water can just flow right in easily, like that, you know. So that's basically an example of how beaver dams can act like a water filtration system, which improves the quality of water. Anyways, yeah, I think that sums up for this video. Just wanted to give a quick lesson on how beavers are a keystone species. And yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.